Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Tips and Tricks, and today I have a very good tricks about Call of Duty Mobile. Those who play Call of Duty Mobile, actually those who spend money on Call of Duty Mobile. So let's get started. Now look at my ID name. This is CODM Test 2, okay, and this is my United States ID. And now I'm going to in the Battle Pass. See the price of the Battle Pass: 560, 1280 premium. Now come here, go to store. Look at the crate price: 60, 80, 80, 80, 60, 120. Bundle price: 2100, 420, 1900, 1700, 1900. So that's the price of my United States ID. Okay, let me switch to my Australian ID. And guys, see the name CODM Test 3. This is my Australian ID. And when I go to Battle Pass, same price as United States ID. Okay, store, same 60, 80, 80, 80, 60, 100. Bundle 2100, 420, 1900, 1700, 1900. Same. Now this time I switch to my Indian ID and look at the magic. Okay, now look at this ID. This is CODM test 1. Okay, now when this is the Indian ID, when I goes to the Battle Pass, look at the price: 220 flat, 60% off. Premium bundle is 520. It's even cheaper than your normal bundle in Australia or UK ID. Okay, now go to store, look at the crate price: 20, 30, 30, 30, 40, 20. Everything digital item, if you create ID in India, is 60% off. Look at the bundle: 840, 160, 760, which is cost USA in 1900, 630, 760. Okay, so the case is you are from India or anywhere in the world, it does not matter. First you have to create an ID as India, so it registered at Indian subcontinent ID, and then you get 60% off. After that, create a ID in India, you can go to anywhere in the world, play with this ID like you are traveling. Okay, except the Garena country, means Southeast Asia, they operated by Garena Activision, so this thing don't work there. But anywhere where you are using global ID, you can use this Indian ID. No matter, you can go to Canada, you can go to UK, you don't need the VPN. You need to first activate a Indian VPN, then you have to create ID and complete your training, then just delete the VPN and play just as a normal your Call of Duty or Call of Duty game anywhere in the world in the global version. In that case, you get every in-game digital item 60% off, guarantee for a lifetime. Okay, so make your first ID using Indian VPN, then use it as your regular ID anywhere in the world where Call of Duty Global is available. No problem. Everything you get is 60% flat off. Okay. Thank you guys. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and leave a comment. If you have any problem to make an Indian ID, I can help you with that. Okay. Thank you. Bye bye.